Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Passions. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections, wedding collections only for you. So let me display best for your wedding parties. Very nice one, bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one premium quality semi georgette with heavy Banarasi weaving work border and full base part is beautiful weaving design stripes pattern. This one full base part lahariya pattern stripes full base, and this one border portions contrast color with Banarasi weaving design border part, and this one full base part beautiful one, very soft comfortable semi georgette with beautiful weaving design. Very nice one. And this one pallu part, pallu and is very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful fine weaving design, heavy weaving design pallu. This one is full base part, this one is border portions heavy work border, and this one pallu part, and this one is running blouse piece. Very beautiful, bright, gorgeous looks, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, golden zari weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this, and for your outstanding smart bright looks. This one also same material, very beautiful, bright, elegant color combinations, premium quality semi georgette contrast border, contrast Banarasi border, and full base part is lahariya pattern weaving design full base. This one is beautiful weaving design lahariya pattern full base semi georgette, and this one is contrast color dye border with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design. Very nice one, smart, elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color bright yellow shaded, and base is still beige shade, and this one is contrast bright yellow shaded pallu with heavy Banarasi weaving work, and this one is running blouse piece. Very nice one, bright, beautiful, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also same material, different color, same pattern, beautiful color combinations. Very nice one, semi georgette lahariya pattern weaving design full base part, and this one beautiful pink shade, and this one is contrast color border heavy Banarasi weaving design border, contrast color dye with fine weaving design, and this one full base part lahariya pattern fully weaving design full base and beautiful pink shade, and this one full base part fully worked. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color pallu green shaded contrast color dye pallu with beautiful heavy weaving design pallu, very soft lightweight also. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, bright color combinations, pure handloom premium quality matka base with jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani design, very smart elegant looks, traditional also. This one full base part pure handloom matka base, soft lightweight, and this one border portions beautiful golden and silver zari contrast weaving design jamdani weaving design border portions, and this one full base part, very soft comfortable one, pure handloom matka, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden and silver zari fine stripes pattern with beautiful jamdani design, fully silver and golden zari weaving jamdani work. Very nice one, smart, trendy, exclusive looks. This one full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part, bright color matka base jamdani work border design. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice one, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, maroon shade, and same material, same pattern, different color, very bright one, best for your party wear, wedding functions, very nice on premium quality, pure handloom matka base, soft comfortable one. And this one, you know, border portions beautiful golden and silver zari weaving design border, very smart looks. And this one, you know, full base part, pure handloom matka base. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, very smart trendy looks. This one is stripes pattern, silver and golden zari stripes with beautiful silver zari stripes with beautiful golden and silver zari contrast weaving jamdani work, very nice one, fully hand weaving design. And this one, you know, full base part, beautiful one, bright maroon shade with beautiful jamdani work border design. This one is beautiful fine jamdani work, smart bright looks, very smart also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, traditional also. And this one also, you know, very beautiful smart trendy one, organza full checks design, organza silk with beautiful checks design, full base part, Banarosi border design, contrast color dye with Banarosi border. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful color combinations, maroon shade. And this one is contrast color dye border with beautiful Banarosi weaving design border portions. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye checks with golden zari patch pallu. And this one, you know, heavy worked border design, very soft lightweight also, and full base part is golden zari fine checks. And this one is contrast color dye with beautiful fine weaving design, very smart elegant looks, organza with golden zari checks. This one is beautiful one, soft lightweight also. This one is full base part, beautiful checks design. And this one is border, fully Banarosi weaving border, contrast color dye with Banarosi weaving border, very beautiful smart bright looks. And I will suggest this, and this one, you know, running blouse piece, contrast color. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also, you know, same material, bright color combinations. Let me open, beautiful smart looks. This one is, you know, full base part, bright orange shade, organza base, golden zari checks, full base. And this one, you know, border portions, contrast color dye border with beautiful golden zari weaving Banarosi work border. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu, white golden zari patch with beautiful checks design, full base part, very bright beautiful color combination, smart look, soft lightweight obviously. And this one, you know, full base part, this one is full base fine golden zari checks. And this one is contrast color border dye border with fine weaving design, Banarosi work border design, very nice one, elegant trendy smart looks, bright also, best for your party wear, wedding functions, very nice one, very elegant smart looks, bright also. This one, you know, full base part, fine golden zari checks. And this one is border portions. And I will suggest this this one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, contrast color border color. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. You know, very beautiful one, same material, organza base with beautiful weaving design, contrast border and pallu, and full base part is checks design, very beautiful color combinations. This, you know, this one is full base part, organza base and beautiful golden zari checks, beautiful yellow shade, full base. And this one is contrast color dye border with beautiful golden zari fine weaving design, Banarosi work border. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful golden zari patch, very nice one, smart looks, bright also, bright gorgeous looks, best for your party wear. This one, border portions beautiful golden zari contrast color dye border with golden zari weaving design, Banarasi work border design, and base is organza and full base part is fine checks design. Very nice one, smart, elegant, exclusive, bright looks. And this one is running blouse piece. This contrast blouse piece, very beautiful one, silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding look, smart, bright, gorgeous also. This one also, very beautiful one, elegant, traditional looks, matka Banarasi, beautiful one, contrast color border and full base part is premium quality, pure handloom, handspun matka, soft, lightweight. This one, full base part, beautiful color combinations, and full base part is beautiful golden zari weaving buta design, and this one is border portions contrast color with weaving gold, fully hand weaving design border, and this one, pallu part, beautiful one, bright wine maroon shade pallu, contrast color with beautiful weaving design, Banarasi work. This one is beautiful stripes pattern, Banarasi work design, and beautiful buta work, very bright, elegant color combinations. This one is full base part, pure handloom matka base, very soft, comfortable one, and this one, full base part, very beautiful color combinations, and full base part is golden zari weaving buta design. This one is fully hand weaving buta, and this one is border portions fully Banarasi weaving border, very nice one, beautiful highlighted border, golden zari weaving Banarasi border, and this one is full base, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful, bright, gorgeous, traditional looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also, same material, same pattern, premium quality matka base, pure handloom, handspun matka, contrast border and fully weaving design, Banarasi weaving design, highlighted border. This one, full base part, bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one is full base part, very soft, comfortable one, pure handloom, handspun matka base with golden zari weaving buta design, fully hand weaving buta, and this one, border portion soft, lightweight, contrast color border with beautiful Banarasi weaving work, fully hand weaving design, very soft one, and this one, full base, very beautiful color combinations, bottle green shade, bright bottle green, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color pallu with beautiful golden zari hand weaving Banarasi work, pure handloom, handspun matka Banarasi, premium quality, soft, lightweight, highlighted border, heavy worked border, and this one is pallu, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy buta work, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, traditional also. This one also, very beautiful one, organza base, buta work, full base and highlighted contrast color, golden zari border, and this one, full base part. Let me open. This one is full base, and this one is golden zari border, highlighted, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, magenta pink shade, organza base, and this one is highlighted border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, gorgeous also. And this one, pallu in contrast color with beautiful golden zari white patch pallu, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, very nice one, bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks, based for your party wear, organza base, and I will suggest this silk material, golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous party looks. Very beautiful one, organza base, bright looks, weaving Banarasi weaving border, and full base part is very beautiful dye one, very nice one. Let me open this one, full base part, beautiful dye, and this one is fine weaving design Banarosi border, organza base, full base part is weaving buta design and beautiful colored dye. Very nice one. Full base part is same colored dye, stripes pattern dye. This one full base part, beautiful elegant looks, bright, also bright gorgeous looks. This one is border, Banarosi weaving border, organza base, full weaving buta design, Banarosi buta full base and beautiful colored dye. Very nice one, elegant, bright, gorgeous looks, based for your party wear, wedding functions. Very nice one. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one. This one is pallu, heavy fine golden zari weaving Banarosi work pallu. This one is beautiful pallu and this one is full base part, beautiful colored dye. And this one running blouse piece, fully heavy brocade work running blouse piece, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks, bright, gorgeous also. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one is beautiful border, Banarosi border and pallu, and full base part is organza base buta work and beautiful dye. This one also very beautiful one, bright looks, blue shade, premium quality, pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful Banarosi work. Very nice one. This one full base part, bright navy blue shade. This one is full base and this one silver zari fine hand weaving design Banarosi border, fully hand weaving work. And this one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, silver zari weaving buta. And this one full base part, very bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully silver zari weaving design Banarosi work pallu. And this one is beautiful jamdani work buta. Very nice one, smart, elegant, exclusive look, soft, lightweight also, pure handloom linen by cotton with Banarosi work, based for your party wear, wedding functions. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. This one also same material, very attractive one, black with silver combined, very nice one. Let me open. Same material, linen by cotton with beautiful silver zari weaving Banarosi work border and full base part. This one full base part. This one is border portions, fully silver zari weaving design Banarosi work border, fully hand weaving design. And this one full base part, beautiful silver zari weaving buta design Banarosi buta, fully hand weaving work. Base is black, premium quality, pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful weaving design Banarosi work. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari heavy weaving design Banarosi work pallu and highlighted jamdani buta. This portion is beautiful hand weaving, silver zari weaving design jamdani work buta. And this one is full pallu part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silver base heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also very beautiful one, bright reddish shade, pink reddish shade, linen by cotton Banarosi work, highlighted golden zari weaving design border Banarosi border. And this one full base part, reddish pink shade. And this one is fully golden zari fine weaving border design. And this one full base part, Banarosi weaving design, fully hand weaving Banarosi buta. And base is linen by cotton, soft, comfortable, bright, gorgeous looks, based for your party wear, wedding functions. This one is pallu, beautiful heavy weaving design Banarosi weaving design pallu, fully hand weaving work. This one is beautiful weaving design pallu, soft, lightweight obviously. And this one full base, fine weaving buta design Banarosi buta. And this one is highlighted border, very bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks, based for your party wear, wedding functions. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. So very beautiful and elegant looks, pure handloom resham kota, pure handloom resham kota, contrast weaving, Banarasi weaving border design and full base part Banarasi buta, and this one full base part of white base and beautiful contrast color stripes with Banarasi weaving border design, and this one beautiful kota, resham kota, pure resham silk kota with golden zari weaving buta design, full base part. And this one full base, very beautiful, smart, elegant looks, traditional also, pure handloom resham silk kota with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart, elegant looks. And this one full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu is very beautiful one, fine golden zari stripes checks pattern pallu, fully hand weaving kota design. This one is beautiful kota of white base highlighted border, and this one is pallu, golden zari weaving stripes with beautiful kota weaving base part and beautiful weaving buta design, golden zari weaving buta design, very smart, elegant, traditional, exclusive looks, pure resham silk kota. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding traditional looks. This one also very beautiful one, bright color matka base, premium quality matka with golden zari weaving buta design, full base, and this one border portions, contrast color border and pallu, and beautiful fine weaving design, fully hand weaving sorry, and this one full base part, pure handloom matka base, golden zari fine weaving buta design, and this one is border portions, very highlighted one, smart, bright, gorgeous looks, and this one pallu part, contrast color pallu with beautiful fine weaving design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart, elegant, bright looks, very traditional also. This one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, and this one is border portions, and this one is full piece, and this one running blouse piece, exclusive, smart, traditional, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your traditional, smart, outstanding looks, very trendy also. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful heavy weaving design, full base part, very smart, bright looks, best for your party wear. This one full base part, same fine weaving design, fully hand weaving work, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful fine golden zari weaving design. This portion 4-meter work fully, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy golden zari weaving design, jamdani work weaving design pallu. It's very smart, bright, gorgeous looks, bright maroon red shade, and full base part is beautiful weaving design, upper base part is fully golden zari weaving design work, and this one is beautiful pallu, soft, lightweight, bright, gorgeous looks, best for your party wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material green base heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. And this one beautiful one, very smart, elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen with beautiful weaving border design, and full base part have golden sign. This one full base part, beautiful one, soft, lightweight obviously, and very beautiful color combinations of golden sign, and this one is contrast color pallu with golden and silver zari fine weaving, self weaving stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, and this one is contrast color dye pallu, and this one border portions, very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen, and this one is border contrast color dye border with beautiful fine weaving design, fully weaving design border. Very smart, elegant looks. Full base part is beautiful color combinations of golden sign, and this one is beautiful elegant color. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and this one is beautiful, very elegant exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks, best for your party wear. Premium quality pure handloom tissue linen, have sign also, golden sign. In the same material, beautiful color combinations. Let me open. Premium quality pure handloom tissue linen, contrast pallu, contrast color dye pallu, and this one full base part, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen, have golden sign. This one is beautiful base part, have golden sign, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful golden and silver zari fine silk weaving stripes pattern pallu design, and this one full base part, beautiful color combinations, and this one is contrast color dye border with beautiful fine weaving design, full border portions, beautiful weaving pattern, fully weaving border design, and this one full base part, bright color combinations, golden sign, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen. This one is border, contrast color dye border, and this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen, soft lightweight, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this brocade work, silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, bright gorgeous also. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, premium quality pure handloom silk linen Banarasi border, golden zari weaving Banarasi border, and full base part is beautiful Sivori dye. Very elegant color combinations, very beautiful one, baby pink base Sivori dye, and full base part is multi-color weaving buta design, full base part is same weaving buta design, and full base part is Sivori dye, golden zari weaving Banarasi border, and this one pallu part, golden and silver zari fine stripes with beautiful weaving border design, and full base part is same multi-color weaving buta work, and full base part is Sivori dye also. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.